Man shot and succumbed to his injuries in St. Mary for picking apples. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man was shot dead and another narrowly escaped injuries after picking apples in Belfield, Penn St. Mary on Thursday afternoon. The dead man has been identified as Ryan Prendergast. Both men are said to be from the Belfield, Penn community, the police have stated. Reports reaching Links 007 TV News are that at around 2:45 p.m., the two men went to the property in the community and picked apples. On their way back from the property, they were confronted by another man. That man, the police said, informed them that he was paying lease for the property and questioned their authority to pick the apples. He then reportedly pulled a firearm from his waistband and opened gunfire, hitting both men, killing Prendergast on the spot, and the other man escaped. The shooter then fled the scene, the police have stated. The suspect, who was being sought by the police for the shooting death of the man in St. Mary on Thursday morning, is now in police custody. Investigators said that the man surrendered on Thursday evening and a house belonging to him was searched, resulting in the recovery of an illegal firearm and approximately 30 rounds of ammunition. The suspect is to be questioned about the shooting death of Ryan Prendergast in the Belfield, Penn community. Prendergast was killed after he and another man reportedly went to pick apples from the property in the community. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.